Hey Makartt babes, if you love glam Halloween nails, this set is for you. Keep watching to recreate.
Hi, my name is Rosalie and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a cute Halloween set using the Noir and Blanc black and white gel polish set and using the pink jelly kit gel polish set.
First, apply an even layer of Makartt base coat to all your nail tips. Using the Noir gel polish, apply onto the pointer finger and pinky. Don't worry about accidentally getting some on your skin. You can always use slip solution and a brush to clean it up before you cure. Next, we will use base coat to create the effect of a skeleton. First, apply your layer of base coat onto the nail. Don't cure it because we'll use the Blanc gel polish and a thin brush to draw the lines directly on top. You can see how the line gradually spreads out easily. Now we will use this pink jelly polish. I'm so obsessed with this color, you guys. We will apply it on the middle finger and ring finger. Since this color is jelly, you may want to apply 2 layers to get maximum coverage. To add some glam, we will be using the Makartt Uptown Demure Embellishment Set. Use a thinner brush to stick a little bit of base coat onto the nail, and you can easily adhere these gold foil flakes onto the nails. Use the Blanc gel polish on your thumb using the same method as our pinky finger. We are going to draw the skeleton nail art on our thumb using the base coat. I love this Makartt gel polish. They are so saturated. Grab your scarlet gel polish to create this bloody effect onto your nail. Use a thin brush to apply your top coat directly to the red part of the nail. And guys, I'm so excited that our decor kits are back in stock because we will be using the red sparkling powder from the Queensland of Heart nail decoration set. We'll clean this up with a dust brush after you pour it onto the nail. Get even more spooky vibes using the Noir gel polish to draw some nail art on the same nail. Don't forget to apply your top coat to seal in all of your amazing nail art. Last but certainly not least, we can't forget about our adorable Halloween charms. Take your nail glue and apply directly on top of the nail. You can pick any charms that you like, but we chose this adorable ghost and pumpkin to complete the nail. Place directly on top of the nail glue and you're done with this adorable Halloween set.
Thank you all for watching today's nail tutorial using all Makartt products. Like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to go to makartt.com and get all your Halloween essentials.